when you say evening.
Evening.
You don't know which part Mr. Nancy live?
Open. Welcome, sir.
Mr. Nancy.
Hold that now. And now, Mr. Perfectly Night Morning. You don't live nowhere. You know, see, man, just like.
A police. Detective Memo.
Police! After your song station.
Good morning, Mr. Nancy.
My man is no good. Where you are? Talk fast. Come on, not choke this thing.
Say about the incident.
Stick up in. Talk right this up. Officer, you know what I'm saying? Here, no problem. Me can't tease me.
I said incident, sir. Not cement. You stand up on your ears, sir.
Police boy. You see me, I tell you sitting this morning. He born you for 1 year and 6 months.
A few moments later.
Old boy, you know me have a lock you. You know you're too bright.
Yeah, me know. Me got good school. Memo, where you are?
So, Mr. Nancy, what make you really poison your breadfruit tree and kill off your people and people?
Officer, me no poison no breadfruit tree. And the man them where spray mosquito with them thinking smoke. And them poison the breadfruit tree. From last week, me call Jamaica Health Center to come quarantine the breadfruit tree there. Cause it have a chung chung virus.
Few moments later.
Old boy, you know say you really take police for idiot.
No? Hang on me. You know say the name where you get. Memo. That means that you're cow and you're goat. That means that you're born 4+ here.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, man, in a video that.
This video is to be continued.
Yeah, so just stay tuned. You see me?
I say if you never smash that subscribe button, go ahead
Yeah,
and
man,
smash it
it.
and touch that
Yeah,
bell
you see notification bell. Yeah, man.
and share and like.
Yes, man.